Welcome parents, John Lanza here, Chief Mammal of Sniggle Zoo Entertainment and creator of the Money Mammals. You may have remembered from a previous episode that we talked about the importance of saving for goals, and you saw this handy dandy little printout that my daughter put on her jar. Well, we're going to walk you through the program that we created to help you make one of these for your kids. So let's get started. So here we are in the program now, and the first thing you get to do is choose for which jar you're going to be saving. And to help us through this process, I have my 7-year-old daughter Kellen here. So Kellen, can you say hello to everybody?
Hello.
So Kellen is going to choose which jar for which she's going to be saving for a goal. Which one are you going to do here?
Save.
Save. Okay, so click on the save button and let's click next. Okay, very good. Now the next page, you can draw a picture put on the label, and you can choose a picture. So if I click on the choose a picture, I can choose one of the pictures that we've included for you, so soccer ball or baseball mitt or shirt or something like that. But Kellen actually has a very specific goal, so we're going to import a picture. What are you going to be saving for, Kellen?
A nook.
Oh, you're saving for a Nook, okay. And that's a digital reader, and so she's going to be reading some digital books, very exciting. And so I'm going to click on Nook, and we're going to open that up. And then we're going to add the picture, so click on Add Picture. And what's neat is it starts to build the label right here for you. So you've got the picture of the Nook right there. Looks pretty good, right, Kel?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we click on Done and go to the next page. So is this a special kind of Nook?
It has a glow light.
Nook with glow light. Very good. And just so you know, we're not getting paid by Barnes & Noble for any of this. This just happens to be the goal for which she is saving. So then we click on Next. And how much does your goal cost, Kellen, with tax?
$130.
$130, okay, and that includes the tax. And then how much have you already saved? How much do you already have?
$98.67.
$98.67, very good. And you've gotten that with your allowance. And then next, how much can you save per week for your goal, Kellen?
I put 4 into my save jar every week.
Every week, and that's from what, your allowance?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so you put 4. So how much can you save total every week?
When you get $4, you get quarters for each dollar. So then 4 quarters makes $1, so you have $5.
Oh, very good. So what Kellen's talking about is she gets a $7 allowance, and we require that she puts 2 of those dollars into the save jar, 1 into her share jar, and then she has $4 with which she can do whatever she wants. And so she's going to take 2 more of those dollars and put them into save, and then 2 of them into spend smart. So she's going to have $4 in save, and we have an incentive program that says for every dollar you put in the save jar, you get an extra quarter. So it's kind of like interest. The idea is to incentivize that saving behavior. So she gets a quarter for every dollar. 4 quarters equals $1. $4 plus $1 is the $5. So she already has $98.67, as it says right here. And it says it'll take her 7 weeks to reach her goal. So we click on Next. And here we get to print the label and then print a poster. So the label will actually have the picture that we created when we print that out. And then the poster will actually have a thermometer, and you can see this little thermometer here, that will enable her to track her goal, and she can kind of fill in the thermometer as she gets her allowance each week. So pretty exciting. What's nice about this is that we're teaching kids about the power of visualization. So Kellen, what are you going to do with your label when you get that?
I'm going to color it in when I get to the, it says how much, so you color it until you get to how much you have.
Very good. And you're going to do that with your poster, and then your label you're going to put where?
On your jar.
On the save jar. Very good. And then that way she sees it. So she's learning about the power of visualization and how that helps when you're kind of setting goals and saving for goals. And that's just a key life skill. Whether or not you're saving for just an item, it's just a great skill to learn about, the power of visualization and saving for goals. So I want to thank Kellen. Thank you very much for doing this with me.
You're welcome.
And I want to also incentivize all you parents to come over And let us know about your successes. Come to our Facebook page. Tell us how it's going. Come to facebook.com/themoneymammals. We've got some good downloads there for you as well. And really appreciate you taking the time. And good luck, and thanks for watching.